Now that we've learned all the basic operations in algebra and how to do them together, we're going to learn how to do them in reverse, meaning that we will take an expression like the ones we've come up with in the previous lessons and factor them back into parentheses. This is called factoring. But before we learn that, let's learn some basic terms when it comes to talking about expressions. So a polynomial is a word for any expression, and it includes these three definitions. But a monomial is an expression with one term. So examples would be just x. X would be an example. Any one term you could think of. That's all monomials. And binomials is an expression with two terms. So examples would be x plus y, or 3x plus y, or ax minus ay. Anything with two terms can be called a binomial. And then over here we have trinomials, which is the same thing except with three terms. So that would be x plus y plus z is a trinomial. 3xy minus x plus x squared, that's a trinomial. Any expression with three terms, 1, 2, 3. Once again, binomials have two terms, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Monomials have one term.
Hey guys, if this video has been helpful to you, click the link in the description to get access to the complete Easy STEM Algebra 1 system, which includes a textbook, homework, and all of the course videos in order.